Here's 121, number 26. Hopefully this doesn't turn out upside down like the last one. We have 3/2 minus 4 cosine pi minus 7 pi over 4. So I wrote maps above it. So the midline's at 3/2. So that's going to be somewhere in between 1 and 2. And then well, we have this minus sign, so this minus sign right here in front of the amplitude says the graph is going to be upside down, or in other words, it's going to be flipped or reflected over the x-axis. Like this is how cosine would look, right side up, or the parent function. This is negative cosine over here, a little picture of it. Okay, it just, these 2 points stay the same, but this top point ends up here, and these two end up down here. It's reflected over the x-axis. So I know mine's going to go like that too because of this minus sign. That's what the minus sign does. The 4 is the amplitude, so it's from the midline it's going to go up by 4. I hope I counted right. It's going to go up by 4 and it's going to go down by 4. And then let's see, 7 pi over 4. I had to figure out what 7 pi, I don't have a unit circle at home, but 7 pi over 4 is about 315 degrees. I don't know why, I just wanted to know that. I know it got shifted to the right by 7 pi over 4, so I went ahead and just drew a general sinusoid, and then when I was done drawing it, I saw that I didn't have enough room over here. I didn't plan it very well. I didn't want to use this one because then it wouldn't look like it got shifted to the right, so I had to use this one, and then it kind of ran into what I already had written down here. But basically it's starting at 7 pi over 4, and then the period, there was no number right here for period, so that's just a 1, because normally it would be right there. That's just a 1, so the period's 2 pi. So I found out that number by saying 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi is the same as 8 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4 plus 8 pi over 4, 15 pi over 4. Now you don't have to sketch this part of the graph since it's already 315 degrees away from the y-axis. You could have just, you could sketch any part of the graph that you want, but because you can see that didn't work out too great for me, because then I know the y-axis has got to be over here somewhere, because it got shifted almost 360 degrees over, right? It's 315 degrees over, so I just kind of faked the y-axis right in here. I know it's not all the way this far, so I just kind of put it in there. And that's it. I hope some of that made sense.